Hey guys, Fix It John here. Today I'm working on my tailgate. It won't open, so I'm going to show you what's going on. All right, guys, there it is. There's the cover for the tailgate latch, and I just simply got a screwdriver under it and popped it right out. You got to be gentle because this is an 07. The plastic gets brittle. What we're having problems with is that opening mechanism right here. If you can see this rod right here. And if you look over here, the rod is gone. I'll show you how to get that off and get it replaced. But that's what's happened. That little rod is broken off, and the plastic probably broke off. Needs to be replaced. But you can see that rod actuate a little bit. Let me latch it back. I got to push it back in. It'll actuate when you pull this handle. Here's the bolts that hold that mechanism on right there. Just on the other side of the handle. But you see that bolt right there? I'm gonna have to take this whole cover off to get to it. This is a 07 Chevrolet. I'll get the year on the models that'll work on, but this bedliner has to come off, and I really don't need a whole new latch, but I need that plastic piece that holds the levers on there. So I'm gonna use this one here with a T20 Torx drive. It's going to take these screws out a whole lot faster. All right, that's what a bed liner will do, guys. Scratch your tailgate up, scratch your bed up. Yeah. Oh, there's the rod right there. Doing that was I was able to find the rod. I couldn't get my hand in here. Let me show you. All right, guys. I hope you can see this. So we'll take these two bolts off here, and I just want to see what that rod looks like on the inside of it. There it is. It's got another plastic lever right here, so I'm going to go ahead and take this one off here. And you just pull it out like that. And I'm going to see if I can get these plastic levers, because I'm not putting this back on until I get this fixed. So that's what it looks like. Pull this little spring back. Push that forward. And that pops out. All right, there it is. I left that latch on right there so I can still use my tailgate, and it'll still be functional until I get the parts in. Let's see if it'll latch. Yep, it'll latch. Got a little actuator right there. When I pull it, that's what we need right there. It works. All right, guys, so I get on GM Parts Direct to look for those little plastic lever pieces, and I can't find any. All I can find is the whole tailgate latch. It's 49 bucks. Anyway, I go to this other site here, punch in 07 Chevrolet tailgate latch parts, and this is what comes up. 07 Chevrolet tailgate OEM handle replacement, 5 pairs. So I need one for each side, one for the center. All right, guys, this is what I ended up going with. These here, there's 8 of them. There was another set I found I was going to get that were plastic, but the reason why I went with these is because the material's nylon. That's going to be a heavier material than that plastic. All right, guys, there it is. I got my tailgate handle clips. All right, guys, I'm going to put my tailgate handle clips on here. Here's the old one, and I want to get one see, what is that, red or green? Now, these are the OEM clips. I can tell just through the package that they're better quality. So that is the left side, and the red one is going to be the right side. Now I'm having thinking twice about replacing those. On the end, it is not fitting real well. All right, I'm not even going to use these. They come right out. I'm going to use the original one. I like that better. This comes right out without pinching it together. See there? So we're going back to the original. I'm going to pinch that in there. At least that pops out and holds it. And this goes in there like this. You run it through here first, through the hole, and snap it on. There. So we're keeping the originals because they're better. I think I'm going to lube that spring up. Don't get it on that nylon, that plastic. Just lube that spring up. That'll eat that plastic right up. Just really disappointed in this crap right here. So we're going to take this latch here. I'm going to feed this rod through this hole. And if I can, there, I've got it with my other hand, just to make sure it's at the other end. Yeah, really disappointed with those clips. And here's our rod right here, guys. I'll loosen this latch up. But this is it right here. That one looks a little worn out, the left one. Here's the right one. So we're going to put the green one on it. That way the rod lays on top. But hopefully you can see this. This is where we're putting it. So first thing we do is pop it in here. And then that goes in there. Line it up, push it in. Okay, that's in. Then you bring this around to clip it in there. All right, hopefully you can see this little white one here. It's hard. It already broke. It broke right off. I'm gonna take this red one, snap it in there. At least that snapped a little better. So we have that red one snapped in there. And take this rod here and put it in the hole first, and then bring this around and snap it on there. There. We'll take a look at this left side here. Just gonna unsnap this tailgate here. And that's it. That'll come right off. Here, right there, that green clip, tailgate clip right there. There it is, guys. See the end right here? Instead of using these clips, I just weld a spot on the end of that so it doesn't come out. Let me see how well it fits in. A new one will fit in on this side. I'm just curious. See, that pops out and this comes out. Just push that in, pinch it. Comes right out. Boom, like that. Seemed to fit a little better there. Let's try that one. All right, guys, there it is. The green one right here. Put this in right here. Snap it in. Not thrilled about these tailgate handle clips here. Filling forward, make sure it's lined up. Torque it till it's tight. Not killer tight, but snug. You need a little play in this. That's why I've got one bolt on it and it's loosened up. That rod's in that hole there. And just bring this around and snap it. There. Now we got a tailgate that works just like the rich kids. All right, we're just lining these bolt holes up here. Can't put those bolts on there until I get the bedliner on it. Go ahead and try it. Whole lot better. And grab my bedliner. There it is, guys. Just like the originals. Opens and closes, latches. Now, you guys ever curious about this latch, this locking mechanism? It's just a big nothing. I mean, if a thief wanted it in here, all they'd have to do is take this back cover off. See, that locks it. That unlocks it. With your key, that's all it is. Somebody wanted in this truck, man. All they have to do is take this thing off. Oh, this thing lines up with right here. That lines up with your bolt coming through this very bottom. Get that lined up in there. And it'll snap right on. I'm gonna put this at the end of the video because I don't want you guys to make the same mistake I made. I bought garbage versus the OEM, but I didn't find this until after I put this on. This is the right side green. It's $5.74, so you'll need 2 of them. And then this one here, this red one, it's for the left side. I would get 2 of those too. $5.70. But if you look at the quality here, it's way better than what I have. Oh yeah, by the way, the red one is part number 88981031, and the green one is part number 88981030. And here you can see they fit from 1999 to 2009, and the same thing for the green one, 1999, 2009. But yeah, I found that on gmpartsgiant.com, so you can go there and get the good stuff. So yeah, Fix It John here. I hope this tailgate repair video helped somebody. If it just helped one person, that's good enough for me. Thanks for watching. Moving on to the next project.